Hello everyone and welcome today to the topic nutrition. I want to show you my view of the whole set and also explain what this is including and why the most people forget like the whole package. So we start with two main things the most people forget, especially the first one, but so important, but when we stop for short time we die. So it's really the essential. What is it? Inhale, exhale, breathing. Mouth, nose, the whole skin is breathing the whole time. So this is the ground essential of life. So this we have to be aware also that we breathe deep. Not just like here, that we really deep breathing, and this is really a ground stone. And there also like the quality again. Like go in nature, go in the forest, go to the mountain, go somewhere you have good air quality. This is very important. Go outside, open your windows every day, just a little bit that comes fresh air in. The energy have to flow. And when you think about in China they say Qi, in India they say Prana, in the old alchemistic principle they say sometimes for the fifth element like Aether, but this is other similar thing, and in the old myth they say it like Mana, so they have a lot of definition for the essence of life. So think about, it's very interesting. That is very interesting, the whole thing, just like breathing. This is the ground stone from our life. This we eat the most. That is our big one. So be aware how you breathe and look that is good quality, or that you get every time good quality again. Very important. And then we come to the second one. What is the second one? The second one is light. Like this light here brings us a little bit something, but we need the real sunlight, the power of the sun. This can recharge us, and we need it for producing also thing, for transforming thing in our body, like producing also vitamin D. So it's very important, sunlight. And there is also like in winter time, when is the sun not so strong and not so long, go out in the midday, lunchtime, go out, eat outside. At the weekend, go sometimes in the mountain. In the mountain is the sun stronger. And don't forget we have a storage for all the things. So that's very two important things. Look that you get enough from this. Not too much like from sun, not that you get sunburned, but that you really have enough. So we get to the two next. And what is it? Like the normal thing everyone knows, like food and drinks. And there what we can do, it's about the quality again. Very important, the quality. It's important that we produce our own things, that we get fresh food, not industry food, that we really get our fresh one. I also show you in some video how I make my own food, like simple and fresh. That is very important. You can also make food, like it's also not the best for the health, just for enjoying, but still more on the healthy side than on a bad side. So produce your own things. It's very important. That is a very important things. Then you know what is inside. And when you get industry food, you check behind, you see something you don't really know what is it, and they don't have to write the whole set sometimes. So be aware, make your own things more. Get fresh things, that you know what you eat. And think about what you eat, that you become. So you eat shit, you become shit. It's just a simple thing. So be aware what you eat. That is very important. That is very important. Same with drinking. Drinking, the ground thing is water. Good quality of water is very important. and water should be the ground stone. And when you want to drink something with flavor or with information inside, drink tea, different herbs, so many options. And there, don't put sugar in. Then we have, especially also in food and in drinks, too much sugar. Huh? Then sweet drinks, it's really not good for our body. Sometimes it's okay with all the things, but we have to be aware. We have to eat more lightly food than heavy food. Huh? We have to drink more clean things than crazy things. Huh? Like also like coffee is also not the best for the system. It has also some good effects with all the things, but also a lot of things that is not perfect. And like also alcohol. Alcohol is also poison for our body. So we have to be aware there. That we all consuming with conscious, and that we be aware what is better for the body and what is not the best for the body. But we still can consuming sometimes. We don't have to go crazy. That's very important things. Like all the stress what we have, that we can reduce, not with like nutrition that we go too crazy. We have also can relaxing also there, not every time go crazy. We can researching or check every time a little bit more, and we know with the time more about whole things about nutrition, step by step. And also with the food, go more to the lightly food step by step maybe. And with drinking the same, go more to clean things like water, go in the direction more of water every time a little bit more. That is very important. That's the ground thing about this. And then the next two, we forget them. The most people will say, this is not a part of nutrition. It's a part of nutrition. And I explain why. But first, what is it? Movement and silence, relaxing. Movements we have here like two things. So we have stamina condition training, running, swimming, bicycling, walking, trekking, jumping rope, whatever. This is very like for condition, stamina. And then we have also to a little bit workout. This is very important things, building also muscles, keep the body in good shape, that we move the body. And also stretching, that is also a thing, like that we can move the whole body in all parts and be able to do all the things to a long old age. That is very important. And here, when we make movement, we need also the other side, relaxing, the deepness. So I also recommend every day like meditation or sitting and just clean the mind. Drink a cup of tea and clean the mind. When you read a book, then you will not be aware of yourself. So put the book on the side and drink a cup of tea and just relax. Or don't drink tea and just sit here, and then you come closer to the meditation. And there we relaxing, and silent is also something. Then a little bit more with movements is Qigong, Daoyin, yoga, things like this is very important also. Also the stretching I will put more in this. So in the middle part you see it's all together in the end. But it's very important that we have the deepness of relaxing, and also here the powerful movements. We need both. Why is this a part of nutrition? Sorry. When we look like a machine, we take the machine now and we use this machine like 24 hours the whole year, many years, and then after a while it goes very fast, and this the defect. So there is the big problem we see. Like when we use the machine like crazy, the whole time is very fast and the machine is destroyed. So okay, when we use the machine with conscious, just when we need the machine, then we know it, we can use the machine longer. Huh? But when we never use the machine gets also some defects. So there we see, like, when we use the machine the whole time, we just move like crazy with stress and all the things, bam, bam, bam. We destroy ourselves, we destroy the machine. Same like when we never use the machine and just be quiet, we also go destroy it on another way. Then when we are in a physical body like this, we have to do both. Huh? We have to move and we have to relax. That's very important. That's really a ground stone. And this brings back, like, why is this a part of nutrition? That the body, all things what you put in your body becomes a part of your body. Huh? The body refresh after 7 years. The whole body, you have a new body. So this means you have to do things that you have a perfect body in 7 years. Huh? So just that you be aware, you become what you do now. Also, think about twice. So this is very important. And also why is a part of nutrition, movement and silence, deepness of meditation. That's a ground stone. Then also when we do things like this, we're breathing again. We go outside, make movements, then you see all together, get the whole set of health, but also of nutrition is a part on it. And now when we have the machine, and you have a new machine, pam, 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 it's just working perfect in the beginning, pam, 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 like crazy, huh? But now we know sometimes we have also to turn it off. But now the other thing what I want to explain is like the machine, we put energy in and the machine have to work also with other stuff, and with the time the machine goes dirty, huh? And when the machine goes dirty, it gets slower, and we have to put more energy in that still brings the same quality. So we need more energy, but the machine stacks every time more, and in the end, it doesn't really work and it's finished also. So what is important? What we do? We clean the machine. Huh? So we stop the machine, take it away from the electricity and clean it up. So that is very important. What we can do, what is this on the view of the body? Fasting, detoxing, that is very important. Yeah, make also researching there. It's very important. This is a ground stone. Then we eat so much, we put so much things in our body, and also from pollution and things, we get things in our body the whole time. And the most people never make detoxing, never fasting. So think about how much things is stuck in our body from this. So it's very important that we make also this. And think about what the animal do when they are sick. They don't go crazy and eat and drink like no, when they are sick, they start to fasting and they start then light a little bit with water and so on. Yeah, just start to observe the animals. And we are also animals, never forget, we are the same. So what they do, we have to think also, we forgot that this is like normal. So, but there, step by step, with the heavy food to the lightly food, or start to detoxing, fasting, slowly, and very with fasting you have to be aware and start slow, speak with people they know about it, and get also supported in the beginning. Don't do it by yourself, especially like things like fasting. Start slowly, be aware, and don't go crazy with all the things. We have to look and do with our own speed, reducing the stress again. That is very important. That is also one of the big thing. So you see, like, we have like a whole set And when we want use our machine, our body for a long time, we have to take care. Mostly I say our temple, our soul is in our temple, our body is our temple, and we have to clean and look very good. That's the whole temple is in a good shape. So yeah, we clean also our living room, that we have space to move inside, and that also not crazy things happen. So yeah, with all the things what you do outside, with like your living room, or with you also things, many people with the car like checking like crazy and put just the best thing in the car, but themselves take a lot of poison things inside. So with all these things, we have to be aware what we say to others or what we do with other things. We have to do with ourselves. Our body is very important. Huh? We have here a physical body, so we have to take care. Huh? So this all parts is very important. So again, air, sunlight, food, drinks, huh? Then movements, silence, relaxing, detoxing, fasting. This is more or less together. And what does what are they saying then? The ninth one. Wait a sec. I forgot. It's not the matter. Relaxing, stress reducing, yeah. It comes back sometimes when you just, yeah, that's the ninth thing or whatever. It's not the matter how we count or so. It's about just that we be aware. Nutrition is a big topic. Go a little bit every time, step by step, more in. Check it out and make your own speed. Don't go crazy. Don't listen to all the people. There's too many crazy things around what people tell and what should be true, what should you have to do, and the truth is more simple. Relaxing is a big thing, and like the whole set here you see is very important. So you see like many personal nutrition teacher or also person teacher, they don't never speak about the whole set. And I think it have to be the whole set. Also like a doctor, like people that studying medicine that don't really have a big part of nutrition. Mostly they have like nothing. When they study so much, they have mostly like a half day or 1 day about nutrition. And we know all what we put in our body we become. So it's a lot of sickness comes also from wrong eating and other things like move to less or have to less relaxation and things like this. All things is a part of the whole set. So yeah, this was for today, and when you have a question, write in the comment. Yeah, give a like, share, and when you can, give me a donation, support me. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time. All the best, and take care for yourself and also for the other and for nature.